Kijk eens. Nou, dat is genoeg toch? Hi there, this is Jasmine of Jasmine Creates. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am showing you a different vlog about springtime in Holland. I asked my followers on Instagram what they want to see on my vlog for today, and to see more tulip urban sketching. So here it is, tulips. Maybe next time I'm gonna show you the urban sketching tour from my other sketchbook that's also full, but this time I'm gonna show you about my urban sketching experience on tulip field. Yesterday I went with Herma, and we went to tulip field here in Byland, where you can pick up your own tulips, and also you can sketch. We first sketch, and then later on we decided to pick up some tulips also and bring it with us. So here is the tulips that I bought yesterday. I picked yesterday. I noticed that these tulips are more sturdy and more darker than the normal tulips where I bought in a supermarket. By the way, Holland is very famous for tulips almost all year long, but in the spring season like this, March, April, May, there are more cheaper than normal. So I think like you can buy like €3 for 20 bulbs or 20 flowers. That's very cheap compared to other countries. And what I noticed it when you buy it in a field, when you pick up yourself, really an open field, not in a greenhouse, I noticed that the leaves are more greener, they're thicker, and the stem are more darker, and they're more crisper. So I'm happy that I have a chance yesterday to pick up my own tulips, and maybe I'm gonna sketch it also soon, because I think I'm so not good with flowers and botanical, but I'm trying my best to sketch it so I can also get better with it. So you will see it also maybe in the future that I'm seeing more flowers on my vlog. And by the way, this YouTube video is all about urban sketching in a tulip field, but also I also show a little bit of Herma van Bolhuis studio. So I'll show a little bit of her studio, and that's gonna be also on my vlog in the future, about only her studio, about her work and what she do for a living. And then after that we went to the field, of course, to sketch. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my videos soon.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, and we decided to go sketch outside because it's a nice weather. In Holland, it's weird weather sometimes in April, because you can see it's sunny, but it can still be cold. So I decided to wear something comfortable but also keep me warm while I'm sketching outside. Of course, healthy breakfast is always important. This normally I eat on my breakfast. So first I'm gonna eat my breakfast, drink some coffee, just like a normal routine, and I'm still gonna finish some work. Like I'm gonna work like 3 hours for my project, and then later on after lunch I'm gonna go straight to location. So I just finished my work, and now I'm gonna prepare my materials for sketching. This is for urban sketching outside. So if you are curious to know more about my materials for sketching, you can check my other vlog about only focusing on the materials that I use normally when I go outside.
So today I'm on my way to visit my friend, also a sketcher. Oh, my dog. We're gonna do urban sketching in a tulip field. So I'm gonna bike on the way to her house. Wait. Hi! Ooh, first tea. Herma, can I check? Can I see your studio?
To my studio.
So this is only a short clip of this studio tour, but the next coming video will be only about Herma van Bolhuis studio. So click that notification bell to notify you once I uploaded a new video. And this gonna be soon, this week.
Yeah.
Beautiful mixing palette, Herma. You don't clean.
Little book.
Shapes here. You paint more.
Yeah, this
urban?
is one I started with.
Yeah. Wow.
It's just
You paint this one new spring or something?
so it's not about painting. It's not. It's
This is also nice.
the view.
You know.
Yeah, this I paint on the spot
Yeah.
with a little.
So I also started portraits and then cityscape later on, and then going back to portraits again.
Yeah. And
Sketch before the sun goes out. Thank you, Herma, for your time again. Let's go.
yes.
Let's go.
So again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you will see the new vlog about studio tour from Herma van Bolhuis. Now we are on our way to the Tulip fields.
Oh, there. There you're gonna pay.
That's a horse.
Nader uw
You
eindbestemming.
need to go further there, Herma. You need to park somewhere. I don't know where.
Where can I park?
Where did
I
we
think
park
on the
last
right,
time?
on
I
the
think
right,
you can
on
park
the right side.
before it was here.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, and now they changed it there. Okay, look at that.
nice. Busy, lots of people.
I think you can park here. Here we are. So here you pick up your flowers. You can pick any flowers you want and then you pay there. And you pay, how much is it? Oh, 25 cents. 25 cents per tulip. We are here in the tulip fields and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. They're so happy. Look at that, cute.
So normally I always go here every spring to buy some tulips because I really love tulips when it's fresh. It lasts longer than normal when you buy it in a supermarket. But I noticed that the flower this year are more or less. You can see there's a lot of empty area. There's only leaves coming out, but no flowers. It's just because the weather lately is a bit colder than a normal spring season here. And I asked the owner of the tulip field, and they said that, yeah, some of the bulbs of some of the flowers or plants are rotten because of too wet and also too cold for this season. So here I'm starting with wash technique. So I started with very thin layers of green, and actually honestly I was a little bit struggling with this because I don't really know how my composition will be. And if you don't know, I don't like landscape. I don't like painting landscape, and this is landscape, and it's really challenging for me to paint like this because I always like to watch landscape painting, but I don't want it myself. I don't want to do it myself because it doesn't challenge me to do it because it's too, yeah, I don't know. I cannot say it. I cannot explain why. It's just not my thing. But you know what? I just want to enjoy the moment that we are there, and it's springtime. We can finally go outside. The weather is so nice that day, and it's not really warm, but it's also not cold. Just perfect enough to sketch outside. And the people are so happy. They're so blissful because of the weather, and also because of that, yeah, the field is open again for public, and that's what I want to capture on this sketch. It's not about the process about it, or it's not about the finishing product of my sketch, but it's more like capturing the moment. And I'm so happy, I'm so positive when I was there. It's just feeling like finally we can do normal things again, like normal things like that. We don't really feel like we're in lockdown, you know. So that's the best thing. And you know what? Urban sketching is not only about making a perfect subject, making a perfect sketch at that moment. It's all about the experience, the atmosphere of the time that you are there. And sketching, urban sketching is only also sketching with what you see and not what you know. So maybe when I'm sketching this one, I see tulip fields because that makes me happy. And that's why I forgot my composition, I guess. But yeah, sometimes it's always like that. Honestly, I'm not happy with this sketch, and but I'm happy to see the sketch. You get what I mean? Because it's the memory. And I also talked to Herma, my friend. We were so both so positive, and we just said like we're not gonna forget this time that we're here. And every time we open the sketchbook, this sketch, it will always reminds me of you, Herma, and also remind me of the pandemic, the COVID-19, and the lockdown, and what did this lockdown happen made us. And it's funny, and I really like it because I had a great chit chat with her, and she's really become my Herma van Bolhuis become my coach. the, at the same time, also my sketch buddy, but also my art coach. You know, we're both keeping ourselves stronger, and I really value that one. I'm so happy I met her. So while I'm recording this video, I noticed the mistake already from this process. It's all about the shadow. I forgot to add some contrast and shadow on this sketch, and that's why I feel like there's something missing on it. And also I forgot that first need to sketch first the people before the tulip field, because now I see that the people blend to the tulip field, and it's not really what I normally do, but it's okay. I love the moment that I'm sketching this one. So when I'm already fed up with my sketch, I stop. Sometimes you just have to stop. Don't go further. If you think you don't know what to do with your sketch, just stop. Take a break. So now, here in this time, I stop, and then this man, the owner of the tulip field, went to us and have a chit chat. So my Herma is chit chatting with him. So I grabbed the chance to sketch another one. So I made this 10-minute sketch, sketching people on my small sketchbook. Irma and I just finished sketching, and now we're gonna go pick up some flowers. This flower, this Christmas dream. And normally when you pick up something like this, you need to pick up it's really straight like that. Or there. So here's my first.
Recht omhoog.
Ja.
Maar ze zijn kort, zie je dat?
Kort hè?
Oh.
Misschien kan ze nog groeien. Denk je het? Het is wel kort. Komt het weer? Nee, iets kleiner. Even kijken dan, rechts. Leuk. Kijk eens. Nou, dat is genoeg toch? Wat is...
So it's time to go home now. I got my tulips. What a nice day. Happy weekend, everyone. Bye. I wasn't really happy with this one, but I just liked the moment that I was there. So it's all about that. And I don't know, there's something with this that I don't really like. And then later on, I realized it's because there is no contrast. I don't see any shadows on my drawing. And I always love to put shadows on my drawing. So that's what I miss here. And maybe, yeah. But that's fine. It's just I'm happy with the experience yesterday. And here too, this one is a quick one. It's like 10 minutes sketching. And if you follow me on Instagram or my YouTube, and let me know, comment down below, because I'm giving away a free sketchbook next week on the 30th of April. So I will announce it on my Instagram who's gonna be the winner, and also on my YouTube channel. So if you like what you're seeing here in my YouTube, subscribe to my channel and click the notification button, so maybe you have a chance to win the sketchbook from Koval. I have it here. I'm gonna give away a sketchbook from Koval next week, and I will announce it on my Instagram and also on my YouTube channel. So if you follow me, if you like what you're seeing right now, please like our video and follow us on YouTube and Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Instagram, Jessamine Creates, also Koval Sketchbook on Instagram. I will put the link on the description below, so you can easily find the link on my Instagram and also Koval Sketchbook Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click the notification button. You will also notified if I upload a new video. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!